Debris has been found in the search for the missing Titan submersible, reportedly including parts of its outside cover. Dive expert David Mearns informed that the president of the Explorers Club said that the debris includes a landing frame and a rear cover from the submersible. The Explorers Club is connected to the diving and rescue community. The US Coast Guard earlier confirmed a debris field had been found within the search area. It was located by a remote-controlled underwater search vehicle or ROV near the wreck of the Titanic. The Titan vessel went missing in a remote area of the North Atlantic on Sunday with a 4-day oxygen supply for its crew of 5. Some experts have speculated that it may have imploded due to hull failure. The minivan-sized submersible was owned and operated by the private company OceanGate Expeditions. Deep-sea diving experts have warned that the seafloor near the Titanic's wreckage is littered with debris. If it is found, it will need to be reached by complex rescue equipment and then brought to the surface in an operation that would likely take hours. Authorities and experts have expressed concern that oxygen levels on board may nearly be depleted, prompting a sense of urgency as ships, ROVs and aircraft from the US, Canada and France continue the search. The condition of the vessel and 5 people on board remains unknown, but the Coast Guard said on Wednesday that the search remains a rescue mission. Earlier in the week, Canadian search planes reported hearing undersea noises. It remains unclear what these noises were, and authorities have cautioned that they might not have been related to the Titan. One of the ROVs deployed from the Canadian vessel Horizon Arctic reached the ocean floor early Thursday morning. Several more were expected to arrive later in the day. The overall area of sea being scarred is about 26,000 square kilometers, twice the size of the US state of Connecticut. Experts said that the area is prone to stormy conditions and poor visibility, which makes search operations more challenging. On board the 21-feet vessel is British businessman Hamish Harding, British-Pakistani businessman Shahzada Dawood and his son Suleiman, former French Navy diver Paul-Henri Nargeolet, and CEO of the OceanGate, which operates the submersible Stockton Rush.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.